Hi guys, so if you haven't known that I'm from the Philippines, of course I'm so worried because 3 days ago there's a typhoon called Dino, and in the Philippines there's three main islands: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and then the typhoon is in Visayas where my parents live. So I was worried 3 days ago. So our house is made with plywood and you know uh, wood, and in the Philippines there's like humid and then the wood is getting like rotten and everything like that. So still our house is still safe because it's built lower, but there's a tree, coconut tree around the house. Three coconut tree around the house. So my mother was worried if that tree fell to our house, so they have to evacuate. So they evacuate, guys. And since they evacuate, I didn't know. I don't have any news because there's no internet, there's no signal. So I'm just so worried. So yeah, the Typhoon Tino, it's 104 mile per hour, the wind. So it's, the Odette is stronger than the Tino, but the Tino is like, it's a big typhoon. I don't know. It's like, anyhow, I'm so worried. I don't have any contact with my family. And yeah, hopefully everything is okay. And yeah. It's just difficult because Cebu is part of the Visayas, and they just had an earthquake, and then now there's typhoon. So just like, oh my god. So anyhow, guys, I'm just worried. So bye guys. See you. I will update you what will happen when I get, I have contact with my sisters. So yeah. Anyhow, bye.